Hey guys, we are back with a new information that Lion launches 4X Dry, a easy drinking full length lager. Lion has responded to declining sales across its 4X brand range by launching a new dry variant under the historic brand. Targeted towards the up and coming generation of beer drinkers, 4X is billed as a new easy drinking full length lager. 4X brand director Amy Darville said up until now the business has been focusing on its 4X gold brand, but tastes are changing. The dry star lager came out of quite a lot of research we did with consumers up in Queensland, she explained. Consumers told us that there is certainly times and places that they love drinking 4X Gold, but there were after a different style of beer, and when you get away from the technical jargon, it was dry style that they were gravitating towards. While Lion already has a number of offerings in the dry category, Darville said it was important to have a beer under the 4X brand. She said Hunt Superdry is a fantastic beer. It performs well in Queensland, in the southeast Queensland in particular, but there is still a need of consumers to have a product available from the brand that they know the most and that they love the most. Whilst we had Summer Bright Lager available, it was not satisfying the need to taste like a beer. This was being designed for people who like the taste of lager but want the ultimate replacement that we know is critical for the Queensland climate. The launch comes as the flagship 4X Gold continues to decline in the market, falling to below 10% market share. While retaining the number one rank for volume, it has been overtaken by growth brand Great Northeastern in terms of sales value. Darville said that the dry launch was an attempt to buttress the brand. 4X Gold is a huge part of the beer landscape. It's a huge part of our business. We are continuing to support it, she said. We just spent a lot of money from a marketing point of view in supporting this brand, but times change. We need to keep our finger on the pulse in terms of what consumers are looking for. So undeniably, 4X Dry will be a sought after for us to maintain and increase the prominence of 4X in years to come. We saw the chance to revitalize the 4X trademark. It's hugely valuable to us as a business and bringing out with new products, but one way we can do that. The strategy was to how we can bring about renewed momentum in what is a very powerful brand asset in 4X. She said the brewery's research surprised them what while younger consumers were attracted to the dry beer style, the 4X brand was far from dated amongst younger consumers. The latest round of research has probably put a few myths on the head. 4X remains the most loved brand in Queensland. There's probably been some feedback that we are one old brand. We are obviously over 140 years old. We have been around forever. And we for your dad's generation, but absolutely that's not the case. While being a dry beer, the marketing focus is not the low carb properties for the beer. We are calling out the low carb as a specific consumer claim, Darville said. The dry was used as an accepted and recognized consumer terminology on what our expectation for a dry style beer. It's pretty much dry or crisp these days. The low carb element, whilst we call that out specifically on some of our other products, is not something that we are using proactively to advertise this product. 4X Dry joins 4X Gold, 4X Bitter and 4X Summer Bright Lager. The launch will be supported through a large-scale campaign across TV, billboard, digital and radio. 4X Dry will be a permanent release and will launch on tap in selected venues exclusively in Queensland and the Northern Territory, with 330 ml bottles to follow from April 2020.